Hey WKCTC, I'm Taliyah Hamilton bringing you the news faster than your group partner can text. Wait, that was due when? Let's dive in. First up, the James Baker Hall Foundation is bringing Kentucky writers on the road right here to WKCTC. Our guest of honor, Wesley Houp, winner of the 2024 James Baker Hall Book Award for Strung Out Along the Endless Branch, which, let's be honest, sounds way more poetic than my last essay title, Why I Deserve Extra Credit. It's happening October 24th and 25th at the Paducah School of Art and Design. Friday night, there's a reception at 5:30 and a poetry reading at 7. Bring your artsy side and your very deep face. Then Saturday morning, Wesley leads a writing workshop called Where to Begin and With What? Spoiler alert, the answer is coffee. It's always coffee. Speaking of radiating excellence, or maybe x-rays, there's a radiography information session on October 21st at 4 p.m. in the Health Sciences Building. If you've been considering a career in photography, of bones, that is, this is for you. Calling all shower singers and karaoke kings and queens. We're holding auditions to sing the national anthem at December's graduation. Yep, you could be the voice that makes everyone stand up dramatically. Auditions are October 22nd at 11 a.m. in the Clemens Theater. So warm up those vocal cords. And remember, this is not the national anthem. Now it's time to talk about the real star of campus life, the food. Let's check in with Chef Jessie Fletcher to see what's cooking.
Hi, I'm Jessie Fletcher, Director of Campus Dining and Catering here at WKCTC. This week at Center Cafe, we have 2 slices of pizza and a side salad for only $5 and Kitchens Cafe's famous tomato soup. Don't forget you can add a grilled cheese to your soup. Next week, we're celebrating all things potato with Thomas's loaded baked potato soup and loaded baked potato pizza. This week at Kitchens Cafe, we have our famous Nana's meatloaf, creamy mashed potatoes, and country-style green beans. Next week, we're headed to Germany with Jaeger Schnitzel with caraway braised cabbage and German potato salad. Center Cafe is located in the Student Center and is open Monday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Kitchens Cafe is at the Paducah School of Art and Design and is open Monday through Thursday, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Need a caffeine boost? Join us for Coffee with the Coaches on October 13th from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the Library Relax Room. We have 4 awesome student success coaches who are committed to helping you succeed. Whether you need help with classes, balancing school-work life, or need some motivation, stop by, have a cup of coffee, and find out what they can do for you. And finally, it's time to geek out. The Tech Hub in Matheson is having a ribbon cutting on October 21st at 2 p.m. There will be tours, tech, and probably that one person who immediately asks, "What's your Wi-Fi password?" Plus, they have podcast booths. So if you want to make a 10,000 Office Rewatch podcast, here's your chance. That's all for now, WKCTC. Stay curious, stay caffeinated, and remember, when in doubt, just nod like you understand the syllabus. I'm Taliyah Hamilton, and we'll see you next week.